my work as a talent optimizer, I meet with a number of leaders, and they often ask, why do I need to worry about diversity and inclusiveness? Well, the bottom line is, it hits your bottom line. Those organizations who offer a more diverse and inclusive workspace are experiencing greater levels of productivity, and with that, greater levels of profitability. And by the way, they're reducing their risk. Human resources is often seen as the wheelhouse for managing diversity and inclusion programs. But the reality is, it's your line managers who bring their unconscious biases into the workplace. Predictive Success offers a program to help train your managers so that they can be fully aware of the unconscious biases they bring to the workplace. So that when your managers are fully aware of their unconscious biases and have practices in place to help mitigate those, you will reduce risk as an organization.
Businesses thrive when employees feel respected and appreciated. It's my pleasure to be here with CEO David Leahy of Predictive Success. This is a very proud moment for our very own Town of Whitby local business, who has created a diversity and inclusion training workshop for organizations. This inclusive workshop is created to help businesses achieve their diversity and inclusion targets, address reducing unconscious bias, increase retention, and attract future talent. Having a diversity and inclusion training helps organizations create an inclusive environment and mitigate risks.
So, give us a call today to find out the programs that will be best for your organization. Whether you have 5 or 50 managers, Predictive Success can help you create a more diverse and inclusive workspace.
For more information, call us at 1-855-430-9788 or email Julie Kane at jkane@predictivesuccess.com.